Hey YouTube, happy 4th of July. We are getting all ready to watch some fireworks. We're parked out in a parking lot somewhere.
Where's Walden?
And North Adams, if you just saw MP was creeping up on me. We've got Mom over there. So, start recording when we actually have the fireworks playing.
Peace out.
That was quite the show. Thank you for tuning in. Again, happy 4th. And this is probably not going up on the 4th, but it will be going up on the 5th. So, it's more of a recap of what happened today. Because by the time I get home, it's going to be tired and it's going to be way past my bedtime. So, thank you for watching. And remember to live, thrive, survive, and keep on tuning in for Vaxel 95 vlogs.